All right, everybody, we're gonna recharge the AC on this 2013 Audi A4. It's got the 2.0 in it. First thing you need to do is find your high and low ports. They are right here. The low port is the smaller one. It's right up front. And today we are gonna use this Sub-Zero R134A. And it's real simple. There's gonna be a gauge on the other side that kind of shows you where the needle needs to be. We'll fire up the car, turn the AC on high blast, and hit it on recirculate, and we'll connect this end to that port and squeeze this trigger here. And you're gonna watch, you don't want it to go over the 50. You want it to be right in the middle in that green area. And you might see it cycle, so the needle might bounce a couple times, but we're gonna hold it there and make sure it's in the green. And once it's in the green, in a safe spot, I like to get it up between 40 and 50. And that's that. We'll let it be done at that point. So stick with us. AC on high, recirculate. Go up front. Move this little knob here. Take this little compression fitting. Wow. It's already pretty full. Good. Yeah, we're not going to put anything else in that. We're already maxed out. That's it.